If the assets of the catalog show apparent anomalies on the associated media, you can carry out an initial troubleshooting. From the Asset Options menu, select the Process function. This function has two subsystems. File will check the original media and will eventually regenerate the preview, a useful function especially in the case of video type assets. Technical metadata, the second sub-item, will scan the information relating to the original file. The scan will then be reported in the Asset tabs under the Technical Info and Media Info tabs. After having triggered these processes by entering the asset, you can verify that the information is now consistent with the original media. After regenerating, the preview must be useful in the left-hand portion of the interface, and the Technical Info and Media Info tabs must be populated with the information relating to the metadata of the original file. After these actions, if the anomalies persist, it will be necessary to submit the problem to your system administrators or maintenance staff.